Guys, I'm going to be helping with your PC, so please, if you could, like and subscribe. And I haven't used my intro in a long time, so I'm going to use it before I start the video. 3, 2, 1, hit! Forget that heat, bitch.
Okay, guess we doing just fine. Said I'm not yours, so I say you're not mine. Okay, just a waste of my time.
Hello guys, welcome to Educational. I've been cut out while the recording, so I'm just gonna voice over. So basically, before we do anything, I'm gonna need you guys to do this first. Yeah, as you can see, I'm currently working on the video, but basically what you're gonna want to do first, you're going to want to go to create restore point. So this is make sure that you do this before you do anything that this video tells you. This is going to make sure you don't lose any of your data. You're going to want to turn on, you're going to want to go to configure, then turn on system protection, and then you're going to want to put this at like 5 or 2. That's what they told me, 5 or 2, something like that. And then you're going to want to make a name, blob. Let's just name it blob, name it whatever, or just name it back up, and then create that. This is to make sure that, this is to make sure that you don't lose any of your data and everything, so you can go back, okay? And if you don't know what this means, just do it and then look up a YouTube video, how to restore system, how to restore system restore point. So yeah, just look up a YouTube video how to restore that. But if you don't know what that means, just do this first, okay? Make sure you do that. Okay guys, there was a couple things that I missed, so just go here, type in services, open it, and you're going to want to copy every single thing I do, okay guys? So first thing you're going to want to do, you're going to want to go to names up here, put it in alphabetical order. This will help you out when you're scrolling, so you don't have to So we're going to do some things. So basically, first thing, you're going to want to go right here, double tap, double click, and then go right here, type this startup, where it says startup right here, press it. And then what you're gonna want to do is put all of them on disabled. So whatever name I show you, put all of them on disabled, okay? And then you're gonna want to press apply right here, press OK, and then we're gonna keep on doing this over and over. So there's the next one. The next one is right here, application layer gateway service. So you're going to want to open it, put that on disabled, click here on startups, and then put that on disabled, okay? Next one you're going to want to do is certificate. Where is it? Certificate. Right here. So this one right here, you're going to put that on disabled. Look at the name real quick, right here guys, right here, pause it, right there, and put that on disable as well. Then the next one, what you're going to want to do is go down right here, this one. So you're going to want to go to this one, is connection user experience and templary, and put that on disable as well. And then the next one, let me go to it. You're gonna want to go to the D section, and then go to download. It says download maps manager. So open download maps manager, put that on disabled as well, right here. Put it on disabled, click it, and then put it on disabled. And then the next one, go down to facts, the F section. You gotta go slowly because A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Wait, what? Oh, it's more up. My bad. There it is, facts right here. You're gonna want to press facts, put that on disabled, FAX, put that on disable as well. Then the next one, it's on the O section. O. Right here, the O section. Where is it? I don't have it on my computer, but it should say online files. Put that on disabled as well, because I don't see it on mine. But you put online files on disabled. It's called online files. Okay. Then not this one. Don't put optimized drivers. No, not that one. Leave that alone. And then hold on. It's in the R section. R retail demo service. This one, put that on disable. Retail demo service, and then put that on disable. Then press disable and then apply. Okay, we're almost done with this. Then go to secondary. The S section. It should say secondary. Secondary login right here. Secondary login. Press that one. Click it, and then put that on disabled right here. Put it on disabled, and then press apply. Then make sure you press apply for all of them as well. I'm still looking. Then you're gonna want to go to down, and then you see these two, smart card and then the one under it, smart card device, blah, blah, blah. I don't know these words, they're big words. So both of these right here, put smart card on disabled, and put this one on disabled. This one, but not the other one. Leave the other ones alone, I suppose. Oh wait, actually put all three of them. My apologies. I read it wrong. Put all three of them on disabled as well. Put all three of them on disabled. And touch. It's in the T section. Touch keyboard and handwriting right here. Put that on disabled. Put this on disabled. Touch keyboard and handwriting panel service properties. Put that on disabled, and then press apply, and then press OK. And then go down to W, where Windows, and it should say this one right here, right there. Put this one on disabled as well, and then press apply, and then OK. And then go down right here, this one, Windows error reporting. Put that on disabled as well. Then yeah, and then after that, go down to Windows image right here. Yeah, wait, hold on. Yeah, this is the one right here. Put that on disabled, and then press OK. And then press Windows in slider service right here. Put that on disabled, and then you're done with that. Then exit out, go to your web browser. I'm gonna leave this link in the description right here, all of it. So you gotta type in RAM map downloader by the official Microsoft Learn. Okay, and then you gotta press download. Once you download it, you're gonna want to open it. Once you open it, you press RAM map, extract it all, and then press RAM map, and then open it. Once you do that, what you're gonna want to do is make sure before you open any game, right click over here. No, just open it, and then disable all of these things in the corner right here, this little thing right here, and then press empty. Then empty empty standby list right here, and then do this, and then do refresh. Then you should be good. That was one thing that I missed, and I'm going to go back here. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not really good at voice overing, but I'm just going to try to remember what I did before. So basically, what you're going to want to do, I was trying to tell you, open your game first. Yeah, first I'll be working on Fortnite and Roblox, both of those games, because those are the only popular games that I play and I know other people play. But this is only for PC players or laptop players. So open up your game and then see how much FPS that you're averaging. Okay, you're gonna want to make sure you see how much FPS you're averaging. So like, let's say every game you're getting 60 FPS. Let's say every game you're getting 70 FPS, but one game you got 60, and then when you go in Battle Royale, it's like 40. So we're gonna try to like help that out real quick. So now, what I'm doing now is it's loading. So I'm gonna speed that. Yeah, voiceovering is really hard to do, but I'm trying my best. So now, what I'm doing, as I can see, I'm getting 70 FPS average, and I'm going to settings. So what you're gonna want to do, make sure all of your settings is low settings. Okay, you'll get the most FPS, I guarantee you. You see 3D resolution, try to lower that down to 85 or 95 or just 90. You'll get some type of FPS. You don't really need it at 100 unless you want it at 100. It's gonna mess up your visual. So make sure that thing right there, rendering mode, is on performance. You want the most performance out of this PC or laptop. Okay. So, and then another thing, as you can see, above that, there's VSanic. So VSanic, that's like is gonna give you the most, like, I can't really explain. I'm not really good at explaining things. So like, let's say your computer only does 60 FPS only, and it'll do only 60 FPS, nothing higher than 60 FPS. But if you turn it off, it'll do like 100 or like go over that 60 or something like that. So you gotta play around with it and see what's better. Turn on VSanic in the game and see if you're getting more FPS and it looks better, or turn it on in the game and see if that's better. Okay, you just gotta play around with it. Okay, there's another one too. If you go to Windows, right click, press Task Manager, and then it'll open Task Manager. So what you're gonna want to do, you're gonna want to go to Details, then go find your game real quick, then in the middle, I'm doing Fortnite, but yeah, I think this is gonna work for Fortnite mostly. But you go to Fortnite, the one in the middle, the one that says shipping, shipping. Hold on. Yeah, shipping, and then Windows 64 shipping whatever. Yeah, the middle one, obviously. Okay, then you go to here, I don't know how to pronounce it. Just put that on high. Okay, it's gonna put Fortnite over top of your other apps basically. So that will increase some performance and stuff. Okay, so now what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to do Windows R. Press Windows and then R. Then type in temp. I think. Hold on. Let me look. Yeah, you type in temp, and then after that, once you type temp, you're going to want to type in %temp %. So that's the percent time, the percent symbol, and then temp TEMP, and then %. Then you're going to want to do Windows R again, and then type in prefetch. I typed it wrong multiple times, so yeah, just type it prefetch. Okay, and then you're going to want to press OK. Make sure you do Windows R. Okay, Windows R. Okay, just letting you make sure. So then you want to press OK. You're going to want to do the little box thing, that thing right there, the little box, and then you're going to want to highlight all of it all the way to the bottom. Then Control C, then Control D. Control C and then Control D, and then you're going to press the checkbox right there, and then press try again multiple times, and then press the checkbox, and then press skip if it doesn't let you do it no more. Do it for the other ones, repeat the same thing for the other two. Then highlight it, Control C, Control D, and then press the checkbox, and then press that. So yeah, good. And then press the checkbox, and then you get what I'm trying to say. So this is gonna be a pretty long video, and I'm not very good on editing on my laptop. I'm more better editing on my phone. So it's just a whole thing, you know. Yeah. And then you're gonna want to go to the recycle, click it, and then no, you right click it. Go to recycle, right click, and then empty the recycle. Then press type in, what is the thing again? This is very hard to do. Sorry about that, guys. So what you're gonna want to do is type in defragment, optimize drivers. Then you want to click the optimize button, and then you can just exit out once it's optimized. You're done. Don't worry about what I'm doing right now, right there. Don't worry about that. It's just that I don't know. I misclicked. So yeah. So now you're gonna want to go to settings. And you're gonna do a lot of things over here. So in settings, you're gonna wanna just put the display refresh display resolution all the way to the highest. And the second thing, you're gonna go to advanced display. You're going to want you put your refresh rate as the highest. But if you want it higher than, you're gonna go to this website. Type in ERU. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Press it, then it's going to download. You press it, download. Here's this little link right here. Press this. I'll bring up something. Sorry guys, I'm sorry about that, but my thing glitched out, so I didn't my audio. So basically you're gonna want to download this app. It's called CRU, and don't worry about what I'm doing. So yeah, oh yeah, my bad. Do worry about what I'm doing. You're gonna want to click the CRU, and then click CRU again, extract it all, and then first you're gonna click the resolution. So what I first had, the first one, it should say 60. So then what you're gonna want to do is copy. Don't worry about what I'm doing. I'm about to delete this, but the 80 resolution, but don't do that. Don't do what I'm doing. So copy the 60 resolution. You're gonna want to press the 60 resolution, and then press copy at the top, and then press add. And yeah, so basically right now I'm gonna copy it. I'm going to don't delete what I just did. You're gonna want to add, and then you're gonna want to erase all of that. Then once you erase all of that, put it at the resolution that you think that your PC can go up to. So mine, the baseline is 60, so I'm gonna like put it up by a little bit. I know my PC can't handle it, but I'm gonna put it like about like, let's put it at 75 or 65. You know, something like that, something light, not something crazy. Don't delete anything, okay? Don't delete anything. So then you're gonna want to go. You don't want to go anything. You're gonna reset your computer, and then come back, and then go to Intel thing. It's the Intel Center or whatever. It's in the Microsoft Store, so you can download there if you don't have it. But go there, then go to display. And then pick the resolution that you picked. But if you don't have Intel Core, Intel Center, whatever, the app I just had, just go to settings and then go to display, and then do it from there. But the next thing that Oh, sorry about that. You're going to go to storage. Then I barely have any storage, as you can see. But then you're going to go to store sense, press, and then all the way at the end. Press all the way at the bottom of that, and then press run storage sense now. It didn't work for me, but it should work for you. I don't know. It's just been glitching for me. Then go back to storage. Then you press temporary. No, you can do this after, but go to temporary files right there, the trash can. Then you can see all of these downloads. It's your personal things, so you don't want to click downloads unless you want to click downloads, obviously. But you can remove these files right now. Then press continue and do it again. Refresh it just to make sure, because it could like trigger or whatever. Then see another one popped up, and then you're going to continue and exit out. No, you're going to want to go to. It's hard to see voiceover. You're going to want to go to apps. You're going to go to go to this. Delete the things that you don't use and you never see on your computer. You don't need. Well, don't delete things. Just delete apps that you don't use anymore. I wouldn't say delete things you don't know, because there might be some things that your computer needs today. So don't worry about that. Don't go to that. You're going to want to go to startup. So you're going to want to take away all of these, turn it all on off. So basically, as soon as you turn on your laptop or your computer, it will open these apps immediately. So like if I wanted Fortnite open, I would turn on Epic Games Launcher. So every time I log into the computer, then Epic Games Launcher would open up. But this makes your computer slower if you have them on. Just let you know that it makes it slower. So now what you're going to want to do, you're going to go back. You're going to want to go. Not that either. No, I went to game, right? Yeah, I'll go to game on the side, and then go to game mode. Turn it on and off. You gotta test it out. Go into a game, turn off game mode, and see how much FPS you're averaging. And then turn it on and see if it's better. You gotta play with it a little bit, see if it's better. To me, I think you just keep it on. To be honest, it's game mode, right? And then there's another thing I missed. I'm gonna record right now. Then yeah, wait, my screen turned black, don't worry about it. Yeah, you're gonna wanna install some things you don't need or whatever. So yeah, don't worry about what I just did right there. So startups. The startups, so basically what you're gonna want to do, turn off the startups. I think I already said this, I'm not sure. I'm losing track already. This is gonna be a long video. Game mode and test it out and see if it. I'm not sure. I could have sworn I said this already. The game mode, go to game mode and then check, test it out. But you go to graphics as well. Go to file. You're gonna want to press the browse at the top and then try to find your game in the files. Then press the game and then press options and then put it all of them on high performance. If you put it on high performance, you're obviously going to get the most performance, right? So you're going to want to put it on high performance. Check all of them, high performance. So yeah, link. I leave this code right here. Code control. So then you want to go to battery, whatever power and battery. Put it on better performance. No power.
I can't really see because it's a little blurry.
Edit power.
Put it on best performance. This is for the laptop user.
If it's on balance, that is horrible. You don't want it on balance. You want the most performance. Oh, you're gonna want to go to
this is another thing you're gonna want to do.
AMD, run as administrator.
Always keep
your OV.
Your laptop plugged in. Like keep it in the power.
Look what that difference made. I'm on high performance now. I'm getting the most performance out of
you. Get the most performance.
Now
you get the most.
The next thing we're gonna
ever
download these 3 applications.
Then you're going to want to go. Don't worry about this. I have this link.
Applications,
it's not a link.
Like
it's
apps.
Leave this code.
But you're going to download an app called PC Manager. And what I want to do is press boot. You click in it. and then you're gonna want to go to process menu. Exit out the things that you're not using. Like this is my web browser is running in the background, so I'm gonna exit that out, exit this out, that out. The Epic Games is still running, and then I don't need that, so I'm just out, exit out, exit out. Then that's good. So now you're gonna want to go to startup apps on the PC menu. Also click done time. This won't let you, but there might be some that you see startup. Then next thing you're gonna then do a quick scan. Then when always before you get in the game, right click this thing on the bottom. Guys, just go to the thing on the bottom, right click, and then exit out the things you're not even using them in the background. Just exit out. This is very hard to voice over, okay? So basically the process manager, just copy all the things I was doing in there, and the voiceover, I know you guys couldn't hear it because it was cutting out, but download this other app called CC Cleaner. Just copy the things that I'm doing at the current moment. Oh my gosh, voiceovering is such a problem. And then you're gonna want to go here, just copy all the things I'm doing, okay? You're gonna want to download PC Manager, Process Lasso. Then you're also gonna want to download what is the other one? PC Manager, CC Cleaner, and Process Lasso. So open Process Lasso, go into a game first. Yeah, go to a game. I'm gonna do a light game like Roblox, and then I'm gonna open up Process Lasso. If you don't have a pro version, then it's gonna keep popping up that even when you open your computer, it's gonna pop it up, but you can just exit out after a couple seconds. Then you're gonna scroll down, go to the game that you have, go to the game. You're gonna right click, and then you're gonna just copy what I do. No, not that. Yeah, make sure, go back up, and then make sure that is on the highest performance. Like, don't put on max, because I think max is bad. Just put on high performance. I don't think you have to, because your computer's already on high performance, so don't even worry about that too much. So now what you're gonna want to do is go scroll over and then press disable hyper-threading. I have no clue what it does, but it helps, so who cares. So now go over what oh yeah, go. So basically what I was gonna tell you, there's a FPS unlocker for PC players on Roblox. So then I'm gonna leave the link in the description, so you guys don't have to worry about it too much. So I'm gonna put the link in the description. This is a very long video, and it's so bad. This is like the worst video I've ever made, but it's educational, so who cares? You want better performance, or so yeah, you're gonna want to download that, press the zip one, open it, exit out all of that, go back to Roblox, and then let's load into the game first. Make sure you open it, extract it all, and all of that blah blah blah. So then press Windows, I'm pretty sure. Wait, hold on. I gotta remember what I did, because it's very hard to break. So I loaded into the game. My favorite game ever. It's a beautiful game. But basically, when you're in Roblox, you're gonna wanna do Shift F5. So that's Shift, the Shift button, and then press F5. Then once you do that, press Windows. It's gonna pop up the FPS thing at the top when you do Shift F5. Then do Windows. Click the little button on the side and at the bottom, and then you're gonna want to put the cap locks at, let's do 120. Then go in. As you can see, my FPS is going up, but I don't. It's gonna flitter. Like the FPS is gonna go up and down if you do the disable hyper-threading with lasso. So that's why I don't really like it. But if you go to the Windows and do the little button at the bottom where I got the FPS unlocker, so you're gonna want to go to this thing. It's system configuration. You're gonna want to go to boot. And then you're going to see I'm getting quite FPS. Don't worry about that. And then put it on no 60 GUI boot. Then to 75 go to services and click hide all Microsoft services. You're gonna want to enable all. Then you're gonna disable all of them. Keep in mind, you're gonna want to go to hide all Microsoft services and then press disable and then apply. And press OK. You can restart right now or exit without restarting. It's only because it was. Oh, and then there's another one jumping. And I was recording, so it's not my fault. Alright, so now you're gonna want to type in this. Type in that. So you're gonna want to go to performance option. It's called performance. All I typed was. Then it's gonna change the visuals. Basically, if I pick this, look at this. See that? It's smooth, nice. If I pick this, and take away that niceness. See that, guys? But it's increasing your performance. That's good. There's a lot of things, but if I didn't cover, I'm gonna go back. Right. I'm trying to cover every single thing I know. So let me go back.